the Mythbusters neatly to their next challenge.
If I fire a paintball gun from this gun and catch a shot of it on the high-speed camera at the other end of the shot, hitting the crowd, how do I know exactly when it left the gun? I'll tell you how. I've got a switch with that right here to the trigger of this gun. When I pull it, this battery powers an LED down there hooked up to our high-speed camera. All right, here we go.
So, without further ado, Adam does the fire test. The high speed records the moment the light comes on, and the paintball hitting the ground.
Look at how beautiful that is.
Making it possible to precisely time
Eat it.
how long the journey from gun to ground takes, which, for this test, is exactly 555 milliseconds.
That's science.
Now, Adam gets ready for part 2 of the experiment.
So I'm just about to hold this paintball up at exactly the level of the ground. We can use a laser level to help me know it. Film it on high speed and time exactly how long it takes to get from my fingers to the ground. I'm going to compare that time to the fire paintball. Paintball drop test in 3, 2, 1.
This time, the difference between the fired and dropped paintball is 59 milliseconds.
Could she would tear Bailey or Libby's ass up if they try to get that egg.
Fired and dropped ball bearing.
You know?
Which has the Mythbusters scratching their heads.
Well, this is a conundrum. Our first 2 experiments seem to
You just gotta look
contradict each other.
down there.
However, I think the culprit lies in the paintballs themselves. Watch this. See those trajectories? Each one's different. They're curving. That tells me that the irregular surfaces of the paintballs, manufacturing vagaries, is causing these things to have aerodynamic artifacts that makes them inaccurate, and thus, I think, renders the paintball test invalid. I don't see anywhere to go with this except to start using real bullets, and soon.
Gary, Tori, and Brett are trying to literally knock someone's socks off.
Dirty face,
Girl.
girl.
The kisser put Buster down for the count. And just about totaled the workshop. We knocked Buster! So now the team is wrapping up outdoors with more
I
power.
don't see you trying to hold it in her foot anymore.
Look at the size of this thing. Buster is going to be hated.
More power means more force, and possibly a greater chance of knocking off Buster's
It's
socks.
all over your face.
This is a gravitational potential energy pendulum. Normally, it's used for testing highway safety barriers. But today, it's going to be our battering ram. We're going to use it to try and knock Buster's socks off.
But before Buster gets put in the firing line,
If you get off the brake now.
the team wants to see how powerful the pendulum of destruction is.
You know you're eating a bird.
Two,